money.
Nkansah, really yummy. You don't know. We don't me ever. Then I can do more. Friends, what to say? What are you? Bella.
Daddy.
What want to say? Ya me can we asini wo. Sikani baby ansuko. Ye ni ba ni wo so a, let's ampaso comedy. Sikani ba so a. Baba me beka. Be pe we, ene ma hu hia bo a. Na me ka be ti say. Prince. Be frɛ wo no nua Bella. Afutuo ana me de mama. Especially enkoma me am ba be de hie. Bella. Bella. And then da. Me young makasa. Oh my met me chain. When you are paying the pence at the chain. About Frabawa, no matter today. Penny no being every day about Freddy. Bella, who pay you bida. Be we answer and meduse. When the Mossy. I dear the manima. Me when we saw body, the better me. Hey, Empia, baby. I'm going to make you go far away. May you be it. Me put here for. Omo ni bi. A baby ni bomidin. Bediako, cheddar. Nyamishan, my idea. No, so baby. Hey, Yama, I say meeting. Wakasa. Bida katin. Wakasa. Who's baby? One time they say. I'm on fast, I say, you so, Penny, what Papa? Nano Mckenzie, Nini ye been one way out. Obama worry. Let me see, can Bagaka? Beslow. But I feel now, crow. Sells by. When they are one, Wakasa, who say, me pempi. Marcus and Yade. Many people, many people was him. Shut up! Let him talk, get up! Who are you? Who are you? Come on, Kaiser! Get somebody to get him! Kaiser! We'll change! Who are Kaiser? Millions of dollars! Hey, you're crying! Hey, man, me practice getting it! Me, I'll try like I'm coming! Come on! Me da fu ne. Me nyam so ba dem se woda. Na fi na ko. Me no ne ba na ofia.
Start apologizing.
Unja hwe please. E ba fia. Awu bra se kuta no. Obi ati ma se money bia la. Wona pa no campaign di mame. Se ba me ya MP na afai wo bia di ye. Who bet me? Shit.
The lion has spoken.
Where the fool? Just say, why has I herself in you? Why has I been a what's the food I? You pay me the social I'm done. I didn't do that. When I mean, to us, how am I the come done? Hey, shut up.
My dear.
Shut up.
My dear, it's okay. Are you still here?
Very fool.
My dear, it's okay. Please calm down.
I can't make money.
I know.
I
know.
All because MP. Please, Yahweh. We say, Skawachia, what am I going for? Who come at you here with the room? And I'm really imagining now. Who many dear I see never read ya. Do what to be a. We have a fiaba. Oh, read it. Oh, read it, Mary. Name. I'm out for 7. Should I not be true?
My dear husband, I am very happy with this occurrence. I've always been complaining about Bella to you. I am so happy you've, shown your real character to her.
Hey. Bonfakesi. Hey. Mati. Mene Mckenzie. Hey, Prince. Ho. Book down fabric. Why? My let's give you father and fancy.
My dear, what should I get you for lunch?
Get you now,
My dog for. My cherry, I breathe.
We are canning, Mamma, we are canning. My wow, feed and wild by film. What cup of us? I want a wooting. No wooting, no wooka. Then where is Sona Walker? We broke with the Muda. How, Jackie? Good of her. Eh, oh, Mammy, I can't. What's your canning? Me wow, Pebefia. What cup of service? Everything yet. Eh, no wooting, no woo to be, no would be.
Just let me be. Look, the way I can see you are hyperventilating.
Hyperventilating?
Hyperventilating.
Hey, what at the brofu now you see? Talk about for you with them.
Stop it!
Brofu, I know 120 years.
Stop it. Stop it.
Listen, I'm going for the jail. She can never.
No, it's not about money. I know, it's not about money. I know what is in your mind. It's not about money. I know what you are planning to do to me in the bedroom.
Peace all in this one.
Papa. Hello. Papa. Oh, me did you what you say in your face. Me patch your share. Miss Row. My home quite a minute. Tame tata wuni nye bibi entia wo. Me di wachi a me pe o me pe wuna no. Nye bibi entia. Me hu bibi o me mu. Na be ma so de wo si so a, wo so onye oba a woni ne betena na na bobra. Misrew.
Are you deaf or you are dumb? Huh? How many times do you want me to tell you to stay away from me? Me can how many times? I don't want sonye.
Me stay away from you.
Me say me pe o me ni nje ho aden. I would dimachi ad de dia ba bedru ha se me yoden. Me yoden. Wo hwe ho so ba na me. Fra. He, e mama fa mani brain mouse. So what? E mama fa mani brain mouse. A hwe ne ho bi. So wo pe me.
O papa, impedi focus em bi say odoko de odo. Me medo. Aba ho no mesrew. Wo de onim timase bretie mi. Ni entwem na kakra na hwe ni pa me ye.
Are you still here?
Mama, menyesa. Mesrew. Wo ye raba menyesa.
Me say me mpel aden.
E na me so me pew. Aden.
Be me hu bi odi pa oba. This should be the last time. This should be the last time you following me with this nonsense talk that you love me. Idiot.
Got you. Yeah.
Your father is justified in whatever he told you. I have always tagged you as a daddy's girl. You know your father will go to the ends of this world for you. So for your father to be this angry at you means you deserve it. It means you've gone over the top this time. There's no use sitting here crying. There's no use. You deserve everything your father said. And I'm not going to pamper you too. You deserve it. What have I not told you in this house? Or you thought your father would let things slide? No.
But Mom, he could have found another way to talk to me than scratch me in the face.
Which other way? Or you thought your father was going to treat you with kid gloves? No. I'll even advise him to hit harder next time. Yes. Sometimes you go overboard with certain things you do.
What did I do?
What did you do?
What?
You are not focused in life. You go out indiscriminately with your friends. You are just, frolicking in life without any aim. You're asking what you did? Are you asking what you did? How many times have I asked you when you were going to start your attachment? Did you even mind me? Or you thought we were going to sit down unconcerned? I am very happy your father went that route with you.
No, Mommy, I'm not happy about that.
Oh, really?
Yes, you have to talk to him.
Your happiness does not count with me this time. And I'm even going to push in more effort so that he's always going to, take affront with everything you do.
Why are you treating me like this? Why?
Because you refuse to do the right thing. I'll always let your father chastise you every time you be in the wrong. We will not be treating you with kids' gloves again. Nonsense. We are going to chastise you every time you go in the wrong. My dear, I would say. I can't say politics here. I did be a war, yeah. You're fair coming in room. Maybe I wish you say, Sa seat will be winning. I'm sitting and pin on the edge when I am at constituency. It's all baby and you, so I don't just say, depending on you also.
Just a bit of why people take stone on me. But somebody
they throw stone at you.
Oh,
sorry. Sorry.
And who? What's up? How about your twin?
Sorry.
What's that say? Who say?
As you say, and your cry sitting and pin one in Crawford, Tomana, Abion, yes, sir. But when you said, don't know who don't do it.
And you're right, sir. What did you want? It's me.
And more than President Coco baby, you ruined more than
me. Power money, now this guy, I show man, my youth, and you're my head. Me be best kaboom, ni pampe.
As I was share, Nipa Ehelu no more than Nipa Ebia, or going to do. Money,
but you mean I shut up! Which document? As a message, make a such document.
I'm not trying.
Let me talk. My problem to compare and back to the poor. Why did I document? To the Nasa. Woman, I'm telling you, I will father. Oh, Papa, I did this. What's the document? When is getting me like won't marry.
For one, I was saying, my garden, and my baby, I was saying,
Fa, Opa, with the MP. Fa, get out.
Beautiful. I would say.
Many brother, the from woman ambassador. Anna,
yeah. As I'm saying, I would say. Because you said definitely you win. So don't be so disheartened when
I'll go IGP down, Pale. I'll go IGP down to make sure I'll watch other people drop.
It's okay.
I'll never allow bosses. Idiot.
My dear, it's okay.
so should we?
Okay.
So whoever wins, paper. No. You did wrong first, so let's get paper. You did this first, so I won. So we'll watch football.
I'm sure I have nothing to say right now.
So you don't know any football at all? You know the players, don't you?
No.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
You only watched last night's game.
I like the
I'm sure.
English
Come on.
cricket, yes.
Okay. know what? Let me call you back, okay? Let me enjoy this.
To leave. I'll call you when I get home.
Wait, hold on. Let me just walk home. Wait, Angel. I'm sorry, okay? Hey, listen. I'm still trying to deal with her, okay? Yeah, she's annoying and all that, but I'm sorry, okay? And thank you for not displaying. It would have been something else. Please just forget about it, okay? I'll come and see you at home.
It's fine. I'll call you when I get home.
Sure. Do you have a problem with me? Because you're not making any sense to me. I found someone in my life. I can't always go to the person's place. Sometimes I invite the person here. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. You always seem to have a problem with my girlfriend. Whatever that problem is, I don't know. Is there something I owe you that I haven't given to you or something? Or is it because I'm living in your father's house? Is that what it is? If that is what it is, tell me.
Prince, you don't understand, but I know one day you will.
What don't I understand?
I want the best for you. I love you. And I want you to love me the same, brother. See, that girl is a no match for you.
You have no idea who she is. You can't tell me what you think about. What do you know about her? Absolutely nothing. And I don't know what problem you have with her too. So what am I supposed to understand?
That you have love in the house. Your family loves you. Is that not enough?
What?
See, you have to think about it. That girl... No. Just think about it. I care about you. That's why I'm concerned about this.
And I love you. And my heart is with you.
Hey.
Are.
Huh? Oh, what you can't come now? Can't rob.
My friend, get out.
Obapa, I will go. This is not where I stay. But what I want you to know is, no matter what, you are going to be my wife.
Yes.
But I am one. Free her call. Then, hey, what do you even have to offer? What?
What did you mean? For number, mammy. Something
is wrong with you. Just go. I don't like this. I don't like to be standing here and exchanging words with you. Just leave. You're not even my type. Sister. Look at you.
Sister.
What do you have to offer?
If I address you, what's your phone?
It's Obia. Be going.
Meet me now who feel semi me kona who finish. Please look here. Look here.
Ale o ba wan friend no. O ara ba wan friend.
Me ni number. Hwe.
Woni ni number.
Me sere woni me da. E na me su me ni mu da. Na wi ase da kro pe ni di hu nipa. Me hu wa me site wo no. Me ba se bi na me ka so yi nipa fon. Ba me read na
me dem be phone. Na me phone kam. Na me phone kam wa.
E na me ka se onye phone. Me read na mu so yi nipa bi obe gangster hwe. Se wutimi boa me. Ana wutimi ni abaya ne kasa ma me. E mo be me dia ho be ma. Me hye wani mu nyamo ate.
Your brother.
Me need see Confion.
See Confion.
Yeah.
What fine?
Me te pan kono estate on.
I don't want to find out when
Me see on the street o.
Ana kasa no.
Me see no. Fe da me kasa no when me mama me. Wan shida antin ni man kasa. Ti me bedru fi no. Ma dwene ne ho aso no da yesa na mu se no. Oba we oba e nyankopon na yi na ma. Yeah.
Hwe so onya oboni bia e difficult pa opa hwehwe oba ofro.
Be ma won se wo ye be man bi wutimi hye oba bi na odo obi ana wo pe obi enyi yi.
Be won ti ase. Minim mema beba fiase a o twintwintwa wo mo. Minim de ono anga minim be ma Pacific ono anga sa wo hwehwe. Ti mesrew.
Onim be ma de a.
Pacific ono anga sa no wo hwehwe.
Enye Pacific eye specific.
Specific. Spe. Bokum la.
Bro de zintina wadwuma ni no.
Bokum la kan. O say.
Nti no de mesro meko but ene ne nkasama me wo ma me sa ba ha.
Wonu kasa anye.
Se wo asema wo kan nka ni na me kire wo so de asema ne na ba bi.
Ebi kwa ne fie. Ebi kwa na kwa nka me ba. Wo be den hu.
Hwe.
Ah wo kasa me ye bi.
Ada wo kasi be ma go na magum but me street so into wo ba na wo kasa. Wo be yo get inside no.
Ene Jimmy. Ene
Jimmy
bi.
Itu de wo ma me sa me ma be mu yo. Gen de ma penalty wo be me dia.
Me na mba ma ne nwa.
Papa
me na mba ma ne nwa.
Ene ja me serew.
Me na mba ma ne nwa.
Nti papa pa ni.
Ase wo hu se mba no afi wo hu.
Erade papa fo abu. Kese emu e dia ma papa pa ni.
Me kese me na mba no. Me ma ne nwa wo ne ma ma na wo wa wo chena. Me
na me papa kuta padlock ye den. Ese papa e git man.
Me twen se ye se pani dwale wi ana ntu asa.
Nti me ma ne wo ma mesa ba.
Me se bitu punu mo bia nti me punu biem.
Mbati.
Me ni pani a me
me so ne nkasa.
Me chewa bonten pa.
Wa misro wati.
Ha? Oshi. Sa wo so oshi.
Oshi.
Me hu ana me tu so oshi.
Abema.
Me hwa kula me tu so wa hia ba wada.
Ba, si de pe de mi se no me di tim.
Wo ba wa wo hia ba wa.
Ai.
Bo wa no ha ge
Ne ka kasman why?
Mathematics wi ni.
Ne frozen.
O se,
Je frozen.
e me so ye free mora.
Sa.
Me Nkansah sa.
Ala mora wo. Ye mora wo. Aje mora wo. More be ma ene nkasama.
Yeah.
Why?
On come we be me there.
I got you.
Me amba no.
Mate.
O me yetu.
Ya me ba no.
Me won tem.
Me ba.
Fan kwase.
Otifia. Ene ne nkasama me. Me se me ba no.
Oh, na me be pa ni kwa binya wo betima hwemba
Okay, si twi kasa de. When you chobi otimi o be se ne nkasa ye. But ene ne nkasama me.
Okay. Wedding day me na metutu ntuma
Me
trase.
kasa bi a kire. There be in the future say you ready a kire me.
Aye.
Bella. Petras. Bella. When you back will pay, I would have a commerce. Bella, but to papa. What about Mossy? Seven, I'm afraid to the assassin. No one is when you had if it is the same. And for some banner, someone swimming well with me. Oh, what being at the buffet the same as why I never. The Bianco dancing. A jet pia when the mapa and the plans papa and the man in Madachi. The mapa number one. Bella said the piece of the wall. What time from Bay Sabi if you were no one surely. The mutuality. Pese me share when you be my prince in the munyam. Na when me ba Sabi. What am I commerce? Idikai. Me pese Obasa quote back in UK. He says, who better usa? And then when you national service, oh my God. Me pese obeja ni nyina to ho. Na obesa ko UK. Wachi bi. Na okoto obi sua no so. So we are. Eduma ope. Nye ope bia no. Just go to internet and search what you want and tell me. I'll make sure say I will spend a lot of money on you. Because we and Baba Bia, person will step in Kwadachi. Will become a vice president. I'm telling you. I want to be, say me Papa, and be your vice president. Oh my goodness. To be so me. They go to back. They go to the channel. They will be here. They will be here no catch them. Let me know what you want. I'm ready to spend on you. I said, we are about Prince dear. We are where? So Papenti, I'm a fan at the night there. What you mean, change? When you do mucho, I'm a bad no. Okay? Eh? Ade? I spent setting a bacon. Can you can put one in Hey, Papa, wow, I'm so surprised. Wow, really, one guy really won't. You don't be surprised. Opportunity one day. Bella, oh my Ghana. The part was sending this opportunity. So could United Kingdom. Kushiadi. That would touch you from on. You don't be surprised for me. And now what you gonna say?
Daddy, see, there are equally good schools here and great job opportunities that I can work in here. But why do you want me to go to the States?
Bella, one thing for Sabi, one compared to. I can see your budget in UK Bushimi. In Ghana, you can never get that amount of that money. Do you know? President, go be a vice president. Or Babesia. Oh my God. That's why I say, go to school UK. Go to for sure. Nobody need you. Eh?
Okay, Dad, I've heard you. They will come at you.
Be happy, be happy. Be a good girl for your dad. Eh? When your mom say, what's it? Who are you, Papa? I'm person me do see.
Okay.
Don't worry, okay? They here be my dear mom. Who be praying for chapter dropping? I can take you. Say people fear by UK. My father am Ghana sadoko. Many cheddar. Kwambe diako. Prince of Africa. Many ni mechi obiye de ho. Market my west. Medepo. Bebe kumasi. Ade mana mo blessing. Ade mahwi asena na. Wo na wo bre. Mema kan police atomata. Wo tie ka say sebi mahwi asena na. Oh, God, me put my city. It's okay. Be happy, okay? You went in, get your face. You went in. Let's get for money. When you go opportunity, you just say that event. Wow, when